The endorsement of Kalonzo Musyoka as the Wiper presidential candidate has set off the countdown towards the nomination for CORD's presidential ticket. And now the Wiper party is under intense pressure to not only register more voters in the Ukambani region, but to also put its house in order by stemming the growing rebellion in the party. And as KTN's Murimi Mwangi now reports from Ukambani, Kalonzo's party wants CORD's other affiliate parties, ODM and Ford Kenya, to pay back Kalonzo's loyalty to the coalition by supporting him during the coming polls.
Niko na nguvu na niko tayari kutumikia Jamhuri ya Kenya kama rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya.
It is an acceptance speech that has once again turned the attention to the three CORD principals, each of who wants the coalition's top ticket, but one which Wiper supporters say should not leave Ukambani this time round.
We do believe the internal processes of the coalition will find it fit that Kalonzo is the best person to deliver the presidency.
Ndio sababu tukasema si Wiper wakende waunde Wiper iwe na nguvu, na Ford Kenya iwe na nguvu, na ODM iwe na nguvu. Haya yote itachangia kwa nguvu ya CORD.
Iwe lisiwe, ni lazima CORD ichukue serikali.
No more than ever before, Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka is under pressure to put the Wiper house in order, and the first task of his brigade is seemingly to trim the growing influence of Machakos Governor Dr. Alfred Mutua, who they have all dismissed as an inconsequential loudmouth. And the Wiper lieutenant on cue to clash with Mutua is none other than Mutua's own deputy Bernard Kiala.
Yote ambaye anaendeza porojo ati amenituma mimi hapa kumwakilisha, nasema hiyo ni undanganyifu, ni porojo chap chap.
Mutua, I tell you, we are serious Kenyans. It is nothing personal. Ni wewe peke yako umeulizwa na polisi, na gavana wa Isiolo Kodana ameshikwa na polisi. Gavana wa Kakamega Oparanya ameshikwa na polisi. Hawashikwi kwa sababu ya kupatwa na bibi ya mtu. It is because of improper use of public funds.
We are not responding to him. We are teaching him. Kazi yake ni government spokesman, mzungumzaji. Lakini sisi ni government thinkers. Tunafikiria na tunaongea.
And in what is slowly shaping up into a repeat of the fierce 2013 presidential campaigns, the CORD coalition has yet again taken the Jubilee government head-on over the land question, particularly at the cost, terming President Uhuru Kenyatta's recent donation of 2,000 acres of family land in Taita Taveta to squatters as a public relations gimmick to conceal the largest squatter crisis ignited by Mzee Jomo Kenyatta's government.
We must as Kenyans come together tuambie Uhuru kwamba hiyo shamba sio yake, ni ya Wataita. Wataita ndio wanastahili kumpatia kaploti kidogo afanye biashara yake hapo.
And just like in 2013, the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission is yet again on the receiving end, with the CORD brigade accusing IEBC of conducting a biased voter registration exercise to influence the election's outcome.
And we will not go to any game where the referee is the 12th player of the other team.
Simamo wa Wiper na CORD ni kwamba lazima wapeleke chombo cha kujiandikisha kama voter in every polling station in this country. Kama hawawezi, we ask you then to step aside so that you leave those who can lead that commission to a free and fair election.
The campaigns are on top gear, and no doubt the next 15 months, during which CORD will nominate a flag bearer, will no doubt witness heated political activity. Murimi Mwangi, KTN News in Machakos.